Yeah, grab a truck, yeah.
We're the Rocket Fishing Boys, and today we come up on the north coast to do our fishing.
Yeah.
We bring our uncle here.
So let's shout out to anybody.
Ratu, Ari, Auntie Trisha, Auntie Barbara.
And like we live in, we tell them we gotta catch a big fish for them because they're still struggling, eh? We gotta catch a big fish for them.
Yeah.
Harry and Plato, right? And I'll show them.
So it's the first time we come now in a while and it's actually clean. There are no real garbage besides for the leaves.
Yeah. And
The water very nice.
yeah. And who are here with all today? We are Rakim.
Boy.
Yeah. We have Fat Boy and then we have the man who don't catch no fish.
Oh, so they buy fish.
Yeah, we had a space for one person, so we bring him. Yeah. He is big with the come fishing. Yeah. First time he doing something. Alright, so we gotta help them pull up the we gotta help them pull up the first thing we do is we clear up the grass already, the leaves. And we gotta pull up the tarpaulin now for the night. And making real hot too. So but you'll get shade when you pull up the tarpaulin.
Yeah, put on the fan, boy.
Yeah. It's supposed to be strong. Yeah. So the making a pit out here now going in. Them fellas fishing down there. We are the tent up, hammock up, 3 hammocks. We are Nathan. Nathan, how it going so far? Yeah, there's plenty of jellyfish in the water. So this is set up for in the night. And we're gonna make a ID chef right now. Making some stew chicken. No, not stew chicken, pilau. So I'll know how that come out. And them boys fishing right on the rock. Right now, Kyle along there. They get Kyle. So you see Kyle right on the rocks fishing.
Hot.
It's hot. Pilau now done. Fire still going. There's some pilau here. Eat yet, Nathan? So sun hot right now. Nathan sit down here.
Sun hot and the food hot.
And the food hot.
Real fish jumping.
You seen fish jumping?
Yeah.
Fish jumping right now. Outside here. You taking no pepper sauce?
Yeah.
Right over there.
I'll take it.
How is the trip going so far, Carl?
Normal, we went and fish. I got about 3 grand and a footballer.
You help Daddy and Uncle Fat Boy cook?
No.
Oh, so you just went and fish?
Yeah. And we saw a dolphin. It had plenty of jellyfish.
Yeah.
All kind of things.
And everybody go sit down and eat now. And the food right there. Now done. So you'll let all know the next update. When we done it, we go and fish. We fish when we done it. Right. There's something on here. That's all.
I can't fight it.
Give me headlight thing. Maybe like a small look, is it?
Yeah, that's small look. I need to have something. You come in? Huh? Yeah.
Daddy, you wanna go?
No, you can go for recording.
Daddy, if this is not a stingray.
Let's look at how they hook it
No,
up.
I don't want to. I think it takes a little.
Oh, you should get.
The drag tight already, boy.
Yeah, more tight than the game. I think my boss.
You take a piece of the mullet. Let me pull it in a little closer, Nathan. Carl.
Huh?
Let me pull it in a little closer.
No, get tired.
Alright, come in, come in.
All they have is
Come in. Bring him, bring him.
good tonight. Yeah, bring him away from the rocks there.
Yeah. It really is not,
there.
Waiters. Waiters. Yeah, I got him take him out. You get a nice pull there.
Like game.
Yeah.
Captain, get off in your rock.
Hey. Just help him pull it up there, fat boy. Gap come out? Oh.
Hey, boy.
No, the gap can't come out. That's not, I'll take the money.
Up.
A fish, I got a second. Yeah. Go, gap.
Somebody
Two.
come fast. Somebody come fast. Somebody come fast.
Go, keep it off the rock. It tangle upon arm line.
Somebody come fast, please. Right.
Fat boy.
I'll tell you, if you let us go, I'm going to beat you up, you're right. I'm going to beat you up. Begging. Kyle! No, I'm going to pull him up. Let me hook up.
Okay. Pull him up. Move.
Kyle on too. Move.
Oh, no, you can't pull him up.
Somebody got him, please.
Right on your head, Kyle, on your head. Not in your body, your head. Yes, Kyle, on your head.
Daddy, come now.
Somebody come. Hey, come please.
Kyle have a bag.
Somebody come now, boy. Take the guy from Kyle, please.
Right on your head.
A big head fish.
Yeah, just knock up.
Wait.
A nice head fish, huh? Pull it up.
Oh, man, a nice way. Rocky with that fish. A nice red fish too. Yeah. Fish had a bite tonight, boy. A nice red fish, boy. The drag was too slack.
No, well, when you turn out,
Oh.
you know how much you had to turn to get that?
A nice fish.
Yeah.
Right. They come in one by one, eh, Kyle? You sick? Alright, Rocky with our next fish. Walk up here. Oh, how it is? Hey, a little pag. Yeah. One by one they coming in tonight. One by one they're coming in. Alright, this is a bigger one this time. Small? A nice big red mouth one, boy. Oh, Kyle one too. Kyle, what you have to? Kyle have a small grunt. Back to back. And Rocky have a nice big grunt. See? Is it? Nice red mouth grunt. Kyle have a small grunt. Alright, Kyle on. Awa? Oh, nice park, boy. High five, boy. High five, yes, no. Yes, no. Keep going along below. So we come fishing slow down. We right at the edge. Yes, sir. So I'll spot one here. Right. Look, swimming. Again?
Barely.
Well, go on, run up there. Go again, quick.
Stop. You can't now stop if I live.
Check up in his hole. Nothing?
Yes, no.
3, 4 long here.
They go down the street.
Reach here already?
Huh?
Reach this spring already?
Yeah, this is street.
Spring at 3, 4 long in this spring.
There's street one side,
Alright. Crab catching slow today, but that's 3 crabs you catch. 3 crabs. That's 3. Real slow. Well, maybe we catch more.
Let's catch like 10.
Yeah. Kyle, that has something. It has something on.
Yeah,
It heavy?
Boy, Uncle Fat Boy just got they like sticks in my pocket.
It bob in?
I don't feel that much.
You don't feel as I I can't see he has something. Fat boy supporting him. Fat boy supporting him.
Fish on it?
A eel?
Oh gosh.
A massive green eel? Woo! Can I fella?
Hold on.
Yeah, I can't do that.
Yeah, then pull and bring him up on the caster. Fat boy famous for catching eel. Big green eel. Oh, it come out. Bust out.
Oh man, you bust it.
Alright, so it's about 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Fishing slow, 8:30. Fishing a little slow. So we gotta eat some pilau. Can't know about take out tea. What you pilau last Kyle?
Yeah.
Alright, first thing in the morning, Kyle throw down a live grunt. A nice redfish. Ah, first catch in the morning, boy. Now come out 6 o'clock in the morning. A little reds with a
Live bait.
live bait.
Nice one.
Nice one, boy. Live bait. You going back? Show them where you catch it with.
Hard back.
Hard back, yeah.
That's a lot of them. I can right to me back. Okay.
And you got to throw it out now. Alright, let me help him. I want to go fast swim. So fish broth for breakfast.
9 o'clock breakfast.
Yeah, night. I'll catch you redfish here. Take more, that plenty broth.
I know. Broth or soup?
Broth.
Daddy, every time I buy the coffee take stuff.
We go see. Take more, no, that plenty. And this is where we spend the night.
Okay, guys.
Use a spoon here now. Taste it and tell me how it tastes in a car before.
Oh.
It's not supposed to be hot. Isn't good?
Flavorful.
Yeah. Well, Lovey and Rakim could cook then.
Yeah, usually.
And Ethan come up there, he got to take out his
Ah,
feelings.
hot.
It's hot, yeah. Ah, love it.
I
Yeah.
see video no. Now.
Man can catch them, boy. He catch, yeah. We going back home and this man catch up seaweed, yes? Ah, boy. Yeah. That man so sour. That man sour. Seaweed he catch.